Hi guys, I just ordered this magnetic drill of VEVOR and I wanted to show you some features and test it with you. So it comes in this cardboard box with some plastic bags. It has some accessories. Let's begin. So it has a coolant reserve, some handles with some tubing, a drill bit chuck, some hex keys and a pilot pin for the annular cutters. Of course, a set of 5 annular cutters. This is the machine. It's pretty heavy for a magnetic drill. That's a good sign. And this one has some interesting features. It has a reverse switch and a variable speed regulator. That's very helpful. I think this is where you turn on the magnet, and this is for the motor. At the first look, it looks pretty solid. For its price, it was something like 300 euros. I think that's like $350 US. And we'll do some testing with it. Okay, this is how you screw in the handles. Okay, what I noticed is that it doesn't stay up, and that's not good. But I also saw that they have some screws here on the side, and I think we can use these to tighten the machine, because it's not supposed to fall like that. Little bit. Okay, much better. Now let me show you how we install the cutter. And you take the cutter, the pilot pin goes right through, and it's supposed to go inside. So now it's ready for drilling. We also need to add some water. Of course, it's best to use some cutting oil, but I don't have it yet. Let's take a metal pipe, which I wanted to drill. Okay, so once you position the machine, you turn on the magnet, but first let's plug in the machine. Okay, I'm gonna turn the magnet on. I'm gonna select the direction of rotation from this switch and the speed. Since this annular cutter is a 27mm, I'm gonna go with a lower speed. The bigger the diameter, the lower the RPM should be. So I guess for the maximum speed, you should use the 12mm annular cutter. And this machine says that can drill up to 40mm holes. So I suppose the 40mm should be with the lowest speed and 12mm with the highest speed. Since we use the 27, I'm gonna go somewhere in the middle. Okay, so let's turn on the magnet. It should be fixed now. Yep, you can't move it. We're gonna turn on the motor, but we also have to select the direction. The other direction. I'm gonna run the water and slowly drill the hole. Let's turn on the water. Now we're gonna drill. It went really smooth and really fast. This is a 3mm thick pipe and it went in like 7 or 10 seconds. Otherwise it would take me a lot longer. Okay, I want to show you the rest of the material which is inside the pipe. This is the coin that you get with the annular cutter, and here in the center you can see the pin where it pushed the material out. So this is really nice, really clean cut, you can see on the walls, and I think it's also very precise. To drill two 10mm holes with the mag drill, so we have to install the chuck now. We're gonna unscrew these two screws. We start the magnet. Now it's fixed, so we can press it and it goes right in. Okay. Now we screw back these little screws. And now I can fit the drill bit. Okay. Now I'm gonna turn off the magnet so we can center the hole. I marked the position of the hole before. This is exactly where I needed. Now I turn on the magnet. So with this drill bit I will need a lower RPM. So I will go down here, I think, and let's see. Okay, one done and one to go. Back the magnet and start drilling. Okay, another nice thing that you can do with this machine, and I will do, is tapping, because it has this direction switch. You can also tap at very low RPM. So let me show you. You turn on the magnet, you go to the slowest RPM. After you do the tapping, the machine goes down by itself once the tap goes into the hole, and after that you can reverse it to remove the tap. So that's a really nice thing to do with this machine. the fact that it has variable speed and switch for the direction opens up a lot of applications for it. Okay, so another cool feature that I thought might be helpful is fixing the machine on a large metal plate like this one and using it as a standard column drilling machine. So by turning on the magnet, you can hold the part, or I'm planning to add a vise to this plate, so I have a proper column drilling machine, and whenever I have to take the machine with me, I just pick it up. So let's do a test now. Yep, it works just fine as a column drilling machine. So I'm thinking about building a custom base where I can fit a vise and use it as such. So guys, in conclusion, I really like this machine. I think we will make some really nice projects with it, and it's a really nice touch to my workshop. The annular cutters feel really nice, and the machine is really solid. The fact that it has variable speed, I love it. And for this price of 300 euros, I do not think you can find a better deal. I was looking for a Mac drill for a long time now, and they're really expensive, but this one meets all my needs and exceeds the expectation. Actually, I was thinking that I will not get such a good package with the annular cutters and everything, and let's see how we can use it in future projects.